Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, and it's becoming more and more apparent that we need to be prepared for what's to come. In the next 5 years, we're going to see some incredible breakthroughs, but we need to be careful about the potential negative outcomes as well. One of the most promising developments in AI is the creation of chatbots that can simulate the knowledge of a trained neuroscientist. This could be incredibly helpful in the scientific community, as these bots could evaluate current literature and help identify the most important works in neuroscience over the past 15 years. The only thing stopping us from achieving this is time, but we're getting closer every day. Of course, there are also potential downsides to this kind of technology. For one thing, chatbots like these are only as intelligent as the language they've been trained on. If the linguistic corpus of text that we've produced as a society is biased or warped in some way, those biases will be built into the chatbot. Additionally, any biases that the programmers may have intentionally or unintentionally put into the system will also be present. One researcher believes that AI systems will soon be able to calibrate their linguistic knowledge against knowledge of images in the world, which would be a major step forward. This is because scientists often take verbal hypotheses and test them against the actual world to verify them. If AI systems could do the same, it would be a huge boon to the scientific community. However, there are also potential negative outcomes to consider. For example, imagine being able to create a digital friend or partner that's indistinguishable from a real person. This could be incredibly helpful for people who are feeling lonely or isolated, but it could also be misused in harmful ways. It's possible that people could use these bots as sexual partners or for other nefarious purposes. Another concern is the ability to create photorealistic representations of people and make them say things that they never actually said. This could be incredibly harmful in the political arena, as someone could create a video of a politician saying something reprehensible right before an election. It's hard to know how we'll be able to combat this kind of misinformation, but we'll need to come up with a solution quickly. Overall, there's no denying that AI has the potential to do a lot of good. We could use chatbots to help us diagnose diseases, create new drugs, and solve complex problems that have stumped us for years. However, we also need to be careful about the potential downsides, and we need to work hard to mitigate them. We can't afford to be complacent when it comes to AI. We need to be proactive and work together to create a future that benefits everyone.